In this video, I'll be showing you the entire process, start to finish, of removing the daughter board PCB from the Hori Fighting Stick V3 and VX. Now this tutorial can also apply to other sticks, such as the Hori Fighting Stick EX2, but we'll just focus on the V3 and the VX Fighting Stick. If you have any questions about desoldering or anything I covered in this video, or any of my other videos relating to the Hori V3 and VX Fighting Sticks, be sure to leave comments and I'll be sure to reply to them. This video contains no audio. It's a full video start to finish to provide a reference for anyone desoldering the daughter board PCB from their Hori Fighting Stick. This process shouldn't take more than about 10 to 15 minutes if you're inexperienced with soldering. I recommend the 15 watt soldering iron. If you look at the video closely, you'll see that I started with the 15 watt and then moved to the 20 watt because I'm more experienced with soldering. They both work. Higher wattages heat up the pads extremely fast and could cause you to damage the button and or the daughter board, which you don't need, so there's not really anything to worry about, but you do want to keep this in mind if you want to revert back to the original configuration. Be sure to check out the YouTube channel and subscribe. I have two other videos relating to the Hori V3 and VX fighting sticks. One is a walkthrough of the button replacement process, and the other is a process of replacing the lever or arcade stick on the V3 and VX fighting sticks. With the lever, I'll be working with the VX fighting stick, but since both arcade sticks share the same components on the inside, the process is the same. So between these videos, you will have a completely modded Hori fighting stick V3 or VX. So once again, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, and I'll have more videos in the future. Thank you for viewing.